All right, students. So let's talk about this question. Again, a multiple choice question will give you an excellent overview of the concept of angular momentum. So you can see there is a body which is moving along PC. Okay, I hope you can see the diagram. And this body is moving with velocity v. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have been what is that I have been doing in the previous questions is I've been finding the angular momentum about this point. And I've been recommending what you do is if you know the direction of the linear momentum, right? You know the direction of the linear momentum, you drop a perpendicular about which the angular momentum is being found, right? So here's that perpendicular. We have been doing these questions. Now the point about which the angular momentum has to be found out shifts from O to this point, okay, which is P in the question, I guess, right? That is the point P. Yes, right? So point P is located here. Now, if you notice, what's so different is the you cannot draw any perpendicular. So you have this angular momentum, sorry, the linear momentum in this direction, right? There is no perpendicular distance available to you like this on the direction of linear momentum. So this perpendicular is missing. And this particular point, O has shifted to P, right? So your R actually becomes 0. There is no R in this question available to you. So your angular momentum, therefore, is NVR is equal to MV0 is equal to 0. No angular momentum. If your point about which you're finding the angular momentum is on the axis along which the linear momentum is there, your angular momentum does not exist, right? So I have put a lot of MCQs in my community tab. Join the community tab, and you will see some fantastic questions on the different topics of physics, which will help you score a lot of good marks in your NEET, JEE Mains, AP Physics, or IB Board, or Excel, or whatever AP Physics you're preparing for, right? So a lot of questions based on graphs, a lot of questions based on calculus, and a lot of questions based on graphical physics. So I hope this was helpful. Wait for my next video.